Hello everyone, I am Thamizharasu, your trusted business coach. Today, we'll venture into the world of digital marketing, unraveling the importance of SEO and discussing some of the best SEO marketing tools. If you want to boost your online presence, optimize your website, and improve your rankings, then this video is for you. So, let's get started. 1. Understanding the importance of SEO in digital marketing. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is crucial in digital marketing. It's not just about getting your website to rank higher on search engine results pages, but also about enhancing the visibility of your brand, driving traffic to your website, and turning potential clients into loyal customers. With effective SEO strategies, you can target your audience better and deliver content that meets their needs. 2. The role of SEO marketing tools in boosting online presence. SEO marketing tools are vital in improving your online presence. They help in keyword research, provide insights on your website's performance, and suggest improvements for better search engine rankings. By giving you a clearer view of your website's strengths and weaknesses, these tools enable you to make data-driven decisions and design effective SEO campaigns. 3. Top 10 SEO marketing tools to optimize your website. There are various SEO tools available in the market, each offering unique features to help you optimize your website. Some of the top SEO tools include Google Analytics, SEMRush, Ahrefs, Yoast SEO, Buzzsumo, and SpiderFrog. We'll delve into each of these tools in detail in the upcoming sections. 4. How to use Google Analytics as a powerful SEO marketing tool. Google Analytics is a comprehensive tool that provides insights about your website's traffic, audience behavior, and conversion rates. It can help you understand which pages of your website are performing well and which ones need improvements. This data can be used to tailor your content and SEO strategies for better results. 5. Exploring the features and benefits of SEMRush. SEMRush is a versatile SEO tool that offers features such as backlink analysis, keyword research, and competitor analysis. With SEMRush, you can identify the keywords your competitors are ranking for, discover new keywords, and monitor your website's SEO performance. 6. Harnessing the power of Ahrefs in SEO marketing. Ahrefs is a powerful tool for backlink analysis. It not only lets you analyze your own backlinks but also allows you to spy on your competitors' backlinks. Ahrefs can help you find new link building opportunities and improve your website's SEO performance. 7. Utilizing Yoast SEO for effective content optimization. Yoast SEO is a popular WordPress plugin that helps in content optimization. It provides suggestions for improving your content's SEO, readability, and overall quality. With Yoast SEO, you can easily optimize your content for your target keywords. 8. The role of Buzzsumo in content marketing and SEO strategy. Buzzsumo is a fantastic tool for content marketing and SEO strategy. It allows you to discover popular content and identify trending topics in your industry. It also helps you understand what type of content resonates with your audience. 9. How to track and improve your rankings with SERP Watcher. SERP Watcher is a handy tool for tracking your website's ranking. It provides detailed reports on your keyword rankings and suggests ways for improvement. With SERP Watcher, you can easily monitor your SEO progress and implement effective strategies. 10. Leveraging Moz Pro for enhanced SEO marketing capabilities. Moz Pro is an all-in-one SEO toolset. It offers features like keyword research, SEO audit and crawl, backlink analysis, and rank tracking. By leveraging Moz Pro, you can enhance your SEO efforts and achieve better results. That wraps up our discussion today on SEO and its importance in digital marketing. Remember, SEO isn't an overnight process, it requires consistency and patience. But with the right tools in your arsenal, you can achieve your SEO goals sooner than you think. I hope this video was informative and helpful. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos. Thank you for watching. This is Thamizharasu, your business coach, signing off. Until next time, keep growing.